Last week, Wisconsin's junior Senator Tammy Baldwin led the Respect for Marriage Act to passage in the Senate. In a rare act of bipartisanship, 12 Senate Republicans joined Democrats to protect same-sex marriage from a Supreme Court that might just be tempted to overturn those rights. But let's be clear, this bill does not require all states to allow same-sex marriage. Full stop. Since the court's 2015 Obergefell decision, right now, every state does have to allow it. So this bill is all about a hypothetical situation, a future Supreme Court that might flip-flop and overturn Obergefell. Biden's signature changes nothing for the moment. With this new law in place, though, what would happen if the court does act? In that case, states would have to respect marriages conducted in places where it was legal, but they would not have to allow new same-sex marriages. For example, let's say the court overturns Obergefell and Wisconsin decides to ban same-sex marriage, but Illinois continues to allow it. Because let's be honest, given the current partisan makeup of our state, that's probably what would happen. If you were already in a same-sex marriage, you're good. If you get married to someone of the same sex in Illinois and move to Wisconsin, you're also good. But if you would want to marry someone of the same sex in Wisconsin, not so good. You couldn't do that even with this new law. So, passage of this bill is historic. But if members of the Supreme Court keep having conservative fever dreams, it's important to realize that the Respect for Marriage Act does not do as much to protect same-sex marriage as Obergefell does today. Given all this, here's what I hope. That the 2022 red trickle is a reminder to certain activist judges that there are political consequences for rolling back our basic rights.